Okay, I wanted to show you something here. So I'm making this decal for a customer. We the People skull flag. This one here. And if you notice, the eye's missing. So my Cameo, the needle decided to go ahead and weed that eye out for me. And then on here, I had some weed lines and they got kind of mixed up. So this piece right here, see how that got cut off? So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you how to replace those instead of cutting a whole new job. Don't even use my chain. Okay. All right, so let's go into my Cameo. Okay, now here's the job here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just highlight everything, hold Control-Shift-G, and just push it a bunch of times. Everything should be ungrouped. Okay. Now you take that eye, that's the piece right there that got removed. So I got that, and then over here, okay, we didn't do that one. Okay, let's ungroup. Okay, so that one is a compound path. So I'm gonna go ahead and object, release compound path. See how ugly that made that? That's fine though, because we're only gonna take this piece right here. So that's all we need is those two pieces. Let's get everything highlighted and deleted. A couple weed lines. Yeah, I pre-made my weed lines for this particular design, and that's great, but for things like this, it's not the best idea. I just don't want to have to go in and put weed lines every single time. Okay, so I got that, those two. I'm gonna go ahead and make a copy just in case. You know, always double up. Okay, now I went ahead and already put some black on a 12-inch mat. Let's get that loaded. Shit. It really sucks to do with one hand. Okay. Now on here it's set for a 24-inch mat. I don't care. You can leave a 12-inch mat in there, or leave the 24-inch settings with a 12-inch mat. That's fine. The Cameo 4, that needle loves to grab the vinyl. It drives me nuts because my Cameo 3 was great. Like I might actually sell this one and throw in my Cameo 3. Just the more time goes by, you're probably going to have a harder time finding your needles. Alright, that's all done. Let's go ahead and get it out there, bring it over. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and... Okay, so here's your 12-inch mat. Again, I'll just lay the mat upside down, hold the vinyl down, just pull it up like that. We'll take off this freaking... Okay. So we'll go ahead and take off all the excess. Start over here. A little wiggle. Okay, that piece right there is pretty thin. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it. Okay. A lot of times I'll add a box around this stuff. And by doing that, you don't have to worry about all the excess around it. Okay, there's your pieces. Okay, so now I need to just replace that eye here. My makeshift tripod here sucks. So I'm going to try to make that where you can see it. Okay, alright. So gently stick your knife under the vinyl. Pick up that whole thing. Come over here. That goes about there. And that is way crooked. Okay, right there. We want it right. A little tricky. There's some pretty thin pieces on this one. Okay, look at that. Bam, saved the job. Don't have to worry about it. Now over here, this piece got cut off. See how it's straight cut there? It's because of a weeding line. I moved the job around and forgot I had weeding lines pre-built from Adobe Illustrator. So we're gonna do the same thing. Just take the spare piece you made. This one, it's okay if it's a little bit off. It's not a set in stone design. You don't want to have it too crazy, but there it is, all ready to go. Everything else is good. I do gotta really thoroughly look through it for those weed lines. Those little suckers are, let me see this one. Oh, see, look at that. Another one right there. See that? So this job does have to have a few parts replaced. Yeah, but overall it's a good job. Everything's good. I'm gonna go ahead and tape it up, ship it off the customer. Just wanted to show you that, how to replace your pieces without having to redo the entire job. Hope you liked it. Thank you.